We're gonna start off this video right. Marshmallow Santa. Hey guys, it's Andrea. Today I have an unboxing a present video. So let me just say first, my bestie on YouTube is Alex from One Beauty Addict. She is my makeup best friend. We do so much together on YouTube in terms of collabing and just back and forth opinions, and we're constantly talking through DM on Instagram and sending voice messages and sending videos and pictures, and it's just so wonderful to have such a good friend. So last year, I think it was kind of an open secret between the two of us that we were both getting each other stuff for Christmas. Like, we didn't really say we were, but we did, and it was like a surprise but not a surprise, but it was fantastic. It was fun. And I think this year we both knew it's just like, okay, we're the kind to go over the top and buy a bunch of stuff for each other. So we decided we would both just do a swap video together. So this is our Christmas swap. She has sent me this big box of stuff covered in chocolate at the top, which, by the way, this is getting like destroyed today, let me tell you. So we're gonna jump into it, but before we do that, definitely go over to her channel. Her channel and the video where she unboxes my stuff is gonna be listed in my description bar. So I got her some good stuff. Like, I can't wait for her to open it. I think it's so hilarious because this year I individually wrapped her stuff and she did the exact same thing to me. So this might take a bit, but it's gonna be fun. So this is, I added chocolate for the men in your life, minus the almond joy, that's yours. Well, guess what? I already ate one of their chocolates then, but I'll pass on the rest. She said she added extras because it was my birthday as well, which, let's be honest, Alex, you just go overboard all the time. So, okay, I love that there's little messages on this. So this one says, let me know if it's good. So I guess this is something she hasn't tried and she wants my opinion first. Oh, this is awesome because I don't have Ulta here in Canada. So this is a mascara. It's the Ulta Beauty Limitless Lashes Lengthening Mascara, which is fantastic because I haven't been buying myself a lot of mascara. So that'll be great to try something new. This one says, not sure if you've tried this brand, Sleek. I have tried one palette from them, but that's it. These are blushes. Oh, I love blush. I've never tried the Sleek blushes or highlighters. Ooh, this is a pretty color. This is kind of like NARS Orgasm looking color. It's called Rose Gold. Oh, this is like almost metallic looking. Beauty. And then this one is called Life's a Peach. I love peach blush. Okay, this says new brands to try. Oh, got me one of my favorite highlighters of all time last year, which is a Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl, and I don't have any Laura Geller eyeshadows, I think. So this is the Eye Elements Baked Eyeshadow and Highlighter in Amethyst Skies. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so this side must be the highlighter. Beautiful. And then we've got 3 purple eyeshadows. I expect there's gonna be a lot of purple in this box. So this is kind of like a trio of eyeshadow and then the highlighter. Oh, that lightest one is really pretty. So excited to try that. I'm just gonna be saying that throughout the whole video. So excited to try everything. And this, I have never tried collab. So this is that brand that I think, aren't there some YouTubers that collabed to do like a brand together? I think that's what it is. This is the Palette Pro eyeshadow palette, and I think the color is called Get Ready With Me, which is kind of cool. So this is kind of more neutral, but it's definitely got some mauvey tones over in this area. Oh man, I stuck my finger in that and I didn't expect it to be so soft, because normally, oh wow, that's pigmented. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, that makes me very excited to try that. By the way, I wanted to say, if you are not following me on Instagram, I'm doing so much more there now. I'm doing video tutorials there, like the little 1-minute things, which, by the way, this whole look is an Instagram tutorial, which I'll probably put up today, so you guys can see it. But yeah, I will be using like I have so much makeup and there's only so many videos I can make. So I figured putting stuff on Instagram is a really good way to use my makeup more. So with a lot of this, I'm sure you'll see it a lot on Instagram. Okay, I am so upset because I literally opened like 6 things and then realized my camera just shut off. And sometimes you might wonder, like, how can you not know if you're recording? Well, my viewfinder was on, but it just stopped recording on my computer. So it doesn't make a noise or anything. You just have to like be aware all the time. So I'm so mad that you won't get to see my like surprise reaction because there's so much great stuff here, but I'm just gonna go through it, and I tried to rematch up what you said about these things, so I'm so sorry. Okay, first of all, this is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen, and I'm so pumped for this because I've never tried it and I've always wanted to. So I'm so excited for that. This says Hope Scent is appealing. And I did buy myself one of these, but I'm really excited because I love it and I've been using it every day. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and I am very happy to have a backup, so thank you for that. There's 2 little minis from Bare Minerals. This one just says warmth, and I'm not really sure what that is, but I have a feeling it's like a bronzer, like a loose bronzer. And then this is the original Mineral Veil, which I don't remember if I've tried, but if I haven't, that's okay because I can retry it. This one says for a relaxing day. Not sure if you can get this brand in Canada. This is the Body Shop, and we can get this brand in Canada. It came in this cute little box. This cute little box, which I already opened in my excitement. But this is a trio little gift set. There's the peppermint candy cane, fragrance shower gel, body butter, and a little puffy puff. And guys, this smells so good. Like, I rubbed some on my arm and I love it. It smells like peppermint, but it has like this note at the end that's kind of like sweeter and warmer, like almost a vanilla. And honestly, I think I might have to go to my local Body Shop and see if they have any of these left, because obviously it's a holiday product and I can already tell that I love this because it smells so good. Okay, this says new brand for you, and this is so exciting. This is Mally. It's the Glowing Goddess Luminizer. This is stunning. Like, I'm opening this going, what? Okay, so I swatched this already, and I'm gonna tell you what I said in my initial reaction, which is that this is not like that really thick kind of like dimethicone formula. It's much lighter, and if you look at this up here, I kind of like blended it out, and it's really almost a wet sheen look. And then down here is a little bit heavier. So it's so beautiful. That is so like naturally highlighty, gorgeous, like so. I am so thankful for this. This is so beautiful. Okay, and this is literally just a ton of lip products all wrapped up. This says every color, shape, and size, your favorite thing. Guys, get ready for this. Look at all these. I am so excited because not only is this a bunch of lip products that I can use in my every swatch I wore that month. If you don't know, I have a series on my channel where I show you everything I wore that month, and it's kind of like a lip swatch video. There's 3 of these. These are all mostly new to me. Like, I haven't tried 4 out of 5 of these formulas. So this is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color. There's 3 colors here, and I have been dying to try these for so long. So I am so excited to do that. And then this, I didn't even know this existed. So there's 3 of these. These are the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper lip glosses. So there's kind of like, this is mostly nude. It's got a tiny bit of shimmer in it. This one has a lot of shimmer in it, this one here. This one is called Prismatic Peach. This one is called Champagne. And then this one is like a hollow lip topper, almost like a duochrome hollow lip topper. That's called Moonlight. There's an Ulta Beauty Matte Metallic Liquid Lipstick. And then one of these, which I love this formula. I have a couple of them, but I've never tried this shade. This is the Melting Pout from CoverGirl, the Gel Liquid Lipstick in Celebrity, which this is a really dark color. Like, so so cool. I don't think I have anything like that. And then the last lip product in this little bunch is a Lipstick Queen lipstick, which I don't think I own anything from Lipstick Queen. This is a mini and it's called Medieval. Look at this packaging, it's so pretty. Look at this, but it swatches sheer. Like, that is so gorgeous. Oh, so excited to use these in my videos and just try them all out. Thank you so much. This says better applied than swatched, and there's 2 blushes in here. One of them is from Milani. It's a powder blush in American Beauty Rose. And I did at one point have a Milani like flower blush like this, but it was just a basic pink, and I think I decluttered it. Well, I know I decluttered it because I don't have it anymore. But this is different, and I really like this. And even though she's saying it doesn't swatch very well, I can still tell it's a really pretty color. Like, it's almost like a burnt kind of rosy color. And then this is a little Tarte mini, and it's called Concept. And this one, wait, no, this one was the one that came in there. Was it? You guys, because I accidentally like wasn't filming, I can't remember which it was. No, it was this one. Okay, this one was the one she said didn't swatch as well. It's called Entertain. So we'll have to see, because it is a little light. This one is called Concept, and this is, like, you can tell, a really nice nude, everyday, almost like Exposed. Like, it will go with a lot. And also in that little package was this from Essence. This, and I almost bought this, but I didn't, so yay. This is called Be My Space Light. It's one of the new Pure Nude highlighters. I'm not a huge fan of the original. I know lots of people love it, and the only reason I just don't like it is because it's not like ba-bam, and that's why people like it, because it's more subtle, but this is completely different. This is like a duochrome pink. This is very similar to the Laura Geller Diamond Dust that she gave me last year. So you can tell, I hope you can tell, it's a little overcast today, but that is like a white pink shift right there. Okay, now we're back to stuff that I didn't accidentally open when I wasn't recording. All right, so this says, give it a shot, you may enjoy it. That sounds like, not a threat, but like, yeah, I'm so intrigued. Okay, this is LA Girl Velvet Highlight Contour Stick. Okay, probably because I have had these type of products before, and it's a cream, and I don't love cream highlighter, which she knows, but if she says that I might like it, then I probably will. But, oh, that's pretty. Again, like, just like a wet sheen right there. Very nice. This says prep yourself. I have a feeling this has got to be skincare. Oh, okay, first of all, makeup remover, towelettes from Ulta. And what is this? Oh, yes, Star Skin Exfoliating Double Layer Foot Mask Socks. Exfoliating foot mask socks, proven peeling results. I'm actually terrified. I've never done the baby foot thing. I've never done, like, I've done foot masks, but just the hydrating kind, never the peeling kind. I'm so scared, actually. There are 4 things left, and they're all a little bit larger. So this says, I still wanted you to try this out. I apologize ahead of time. I know what this is, because I know she mentioned it in a video. Yes, okay. This is from Rimmel. This is the Magnifies, oh, come on, Electric Violet Edition. Yeah, so Rimmel came out with a bunch of these long palettes, and I know she reviewed all of them on her channel. Oh, one of them is a little bit smashed. Actually, a couple of them are a little, this one didn't survive the trip very well, but it's mostly okay. And I know they were a little hit and miss for her. So, but I know she knows I love me some purple. So that's probably why she's like, I apologize. I don't know. I mean, they swatch decently. Look at that blue, man. That's beautiful. So I will definitely try that. Because you love blues. What is this? Oh, this is, oh yes. This is the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. I think I had told her before she sent this to me, but like recently, that my London Drugs has a Makeup Revolution, and I wanted to buy, I think it's called a mermaid palette or something. And I think they have this one there too. And I can't remember if she told me not to or if she just didn't say anything about it. But I didn't know she was sending this, so I'm super pumped because I've always wanted this palette. This palette was making the rounds in pictures on Instagram for a while. It's taken me a long time to get into it. Oh, geez. Okay. Look at this. Yes, definitely some blues, but there's a lot of mauves in here too. There are some of the colors swatched. They definitely swatched really pretty. That one there especially looks gorgeous. But this is really cool because it's definitely a little bit smokier, vampier than I'm used to, but I know I can do some cool stuff with this, so that's super exciting. US exclusive, so now you can enjoy it. Okay, what is it? What is it? It's Ulta Beauty. Is this a collab? Melissa Michelle. Who did I see talking about this? Somebody. Maybe it was Alex. Ooh. Ooh, one of these shades kind of got a little smashed, but it's mostly okay. This little heart shade right there needs to be a little bit repressed. Okay, first of all, I have to swatch these 3 hearts because they look like they're super like metallic-y, glittery. But this just looks like a pressed glitter, which I don't, oh my goodness. I don't think I have any pressed glitter in any palette. What? You guys, what? That is amazing. Like that's amazing. That's Manifest. This one is called Bro, which, what? This is a really weird formula. Is this another pressed glitter? Yeah, but it's almost like a foil, like a gold foil. And then Chris is the one that got a little bit smashed, this green. But this is not like a glitter. It's more of just like a metallic. Wow, look at that gold in the middle. Oh my goodness. What? How come I've never really heard of this? I know I heard of it once because I knew it existed, but I've never really seen anybody talk about this. Bling on the Glam. You guys are gonna have to tell me, or Alex, you could tell me if this is a permanent palette. Because if it is, if this is still available, I would say just based on swatches alone, like give it a shot. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then this little brush is actually a sponge, which I think is actually very genius and clever because for these, I bet you they would apply so much better with a sponge than a brush. So I'm super excited to try this out. This is the last thing. This says only swatch 2 shades and never use. Thought you would enjoy it and show it more love than I did. What is this? It's gotta be something good. Morphe 35P. Oh, I know this one. This is the purple one. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. I have not tried Morphe shadows in a long time, ever since the Jaclyn. Like, I just got the Jaclyn Vault purple one, but I haven't tried Morphe shadows since like years before that. There you go. Look at this shade right there. That is so pretty. I'm so excited. All right, guys, so you have to promise me you're gonna go watch Alex's video of her unboxing all the stuff I got her. I am so pumped for her to see everything because it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So that should be up at the same time this is up. It'll be linked. I'm so excited to play with all this stuff. Thank you so much, my dear friend. I love you so much. This is so lovely. And like I said before, if you are not following me on Instagram or even on my Facebook page, which is brand new, I just started a Facebook page for my YouTube, definitely go over to those 2 things, subscribe, like the page, because I'm going to be posting a lot of looks that you won't see on YouTube and you'll only see them on Instagram, or I will probably share a lot of them on Facebook as well. So definitely go do that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know the drill. Just subscribe at the end of the video, guys. All right, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.